Music for the media is the springboard that has helped hundreds of professional composers get started in their careers. Now in its 20th year, its winning formula keeps on delivering real results. You know that it's a ruthlessly competitive market, and if you're going to make it, you're going to need some help. Help from a well-established team of working professional composers, ready to share their inside knowledge. So what makes Music for the Media so effective? Real-world experience. Your course is packed with interviews and tutorials, not only with top-flight composers, but also real-world clients, the kind of producers and directors you'll be working for. So you get to learn the language, know how real jobs work, and understand what's expected. So when you get your first paying gig, it feels like you've done it all before. You'll work on real-world projects drawn from paying jobs. The course assignments will give you the kind of intense experience it would normally take a professional composer years to cover. We show you not just the obvious areas of the business, but also the hidden markets, areas most people don't know about, where well-paying projects are sometimes easier to come by. How does it work? Each unit looks at a different area of the business, as well as a vital technical or creative skill. You read the text and watch over 20 hours of videos, over-the-shoulder demonstrations by award-winning composers, interviews and insights from some of the top names in the business. All the course text and videos are available both in our revolutionary online course reader and as downloads for you to keep, an invaluable source of reference you'll be going back to over and over again as your career develops. Now dive into one of the real-world projects, briefed by the real producers and directors. Find out what you've learned, try new approaches, and build up invaluable material for your demo reel. Music for the Media deals with how to write music that clients want to buy, how to understand what they're really after. You learn about scoring trailers and video games, breaking into library music, and uncovering several less well-known areas of paying work. We'll teach you tune writing, show you how to find a sound of your own, and how to work more productively. Learning how to work with movies inside your DAW, how to write music that hits those big moments, and much, much more. You'll learn all about feature films, short films, TV commercials, animation, and documentaries. The course works hand in hand with your life. Start whenever you like. There are no deadlines and no pressure. You can even extend your course as long as you want. Music for the Media has been the stepping stone into the industry for many professional composers. So what are you waiting for? Come inside and see what you're missing. Music for the Media from ThinkSpace.